myself Rahil here, and my other team members are Spandan Bali and Harsh Banera. So here I will be explaining the project or what we have made together. The name of the project is Cloud Video Transcriber. So now I'll be explaining how the project exactly works. So first of all, our project was designed for users to store videos of MP4 format and transform the videos into the transcription format as well, so that user could get the transcript of the videos, as well as our system is also providing the user to create a summary of that transcription as well. So now I'll be explaining the workflow, like how exactly our project works. So first of all, the user will be coming on our platform and authenticating himself, so by sign up or login. At the time of sign up, we will be asking users about whether he wants the plan to be paid or the plan to be free accordingly, so that we can provide the further services for storage and transcription. For the If the user chooses the paid plan, then for storage services we will be using the AWS S3, which is also paid version for us as well. And for transcription purposes we will be using the AWS Transcribe, which is as well a cloud service and a paid one as well. But if the user is a free plan service user, then for storage purpose we will be using the Cloudinary, called an open source platform which allows the users to store images and videos on the cloud. And for transcription purposes, we will be using an open source software available known as AssemblyAI, which is a very good platform for the transcription services, like audio diarization, speech to text, streaming speech to text, and language detection, and so many features as well are there in the AssemblyAI. So for free plan users will be using this service. And for both, whether the transcription is from AWS Transcribe or the AssemblyAI, we will be storing both of the transcriptions in the MongoDB Atlas, which as well is an online platform of MongoDB, which is the MongoDB Atlas, for storing the information about the users and the videos, whatever the users and videos will be there on our platform. And for the transcription purposes, what we will be doing is we will be passing those transcription to the groq API, so that groq API will create a summary so that we can provide it to our users. And summary is as well stored in the MongoDB Atlas. Now I will go on these platforms and let you know like what exactly I'm doing. So here first of all we will go to the AWS S3. So here we are on Amazon platform, AWS platform. Here there is an S3 bucket for which we are using for storing the transcription and the videos. So here inside the CVT project we are having our transcribed until now, whatever we have transcribed, and in the videos folder we have the videos. Until now there is only one paid plan user, I will show you in the further video. So here we are storing the video as well. So basically we are using the S3 bucket for storing the videos as well as the transcripted file. Secondly, what we can see is the AWS transcription. So the so exactly what we saw here from the AWS. Here the user is allowed to store in the transcription of whatever the video was transcribed here in the Amazon S3 bucket itself. AWS Transcribe is another service of the AWS platform, so we are using that service. And now for the free services for storage purposes, there is a platform called as Cloudinary, which allows us to store images, images and videos basically. So until now we have stored this much videos for our processing and checking purposes. So here we have used 188 MB on the cloud of their cloud, like Cloudinary cloud, and total we have this much. We have used this much of memory until now, and for images we have used this much. But for this project I have used this much memory, 188 MB, because here we are dealing with the videos only. Then one is the transcription. For transcription of the free plan users we are having AssemblyAI, and here is the AssemblyAI. As you can see here, you can see different services which is provided by this open source platform. like speech to text, streaming space to text. Streaming space to text means the video which is continuously being generated, and it can even provide the live video speech to text. Like audio intelligence, we have different services, like I already told you, like speaker diarization, PI reduction, and automatic different language detection. So until now, here you can see in the transcription history, we have used this service for our checking purposes. Here it helps us to generate the transcript, and accordingly we will see that in our demo now. So this was the overall flow and services which I have been using until now. Like there are many cloud services, especially this is a project of cloud computing, so I tried to use as many as cloud services as possible. Like first of all, the AWS S3 and the AWS Transcribe, these two cloud services provided by the AWS. Then the open source cloud service provided by the Cloudinary platform, then the AssemblyAI, then the MongoDB Atlas. So I tried to use all these services because they are totally cloud based, and this project was assigned to us under the subject known as cloud computing. So yeah, I tried to use 4 to 5 different cloud services in this project. Now we will try to see everything whatever we just saw the workflow in actual demonstration. So here let me log out first. So this is MongoDB. Here there are different users, as you can see. Here the names and the emails of the users are getting stored. Like for this user we will see like name is in kilo has been stored, email of that particular user, password which is in encrypted format, the plan of the whatever user has been chosen, the role is the user, and at what time exactly the user has signed up for our platform. All these are different users whatever who have signed on our platform until now. And this collection is for the videos. As is the MongoDB, it stores in the collection format instead of the table format. It stores the information about the videos, not the actual videos, but the information about, like the metadata about the videos. Like we can see here the name of the video, whatever has been uploaded by that user. Like front end web development is changing quickly .mp4. So this is the name of the video. Now the cloud URL, the cloud URL shows like exactly on internet, on the cloud, where exactly our video is getting stored. Like for this user you can see it is getting on Cloudinary platform, so I guess this is a free planned user. And for this user, the video this video has been storing on the Amazon AWS, so I guess this is the paid user. And this is the public ID, like what we saw here in our Amazon AWS project. Like inside videos, here we are having, so this is the exact URL. You can see here in the MongoDB inside videos there is this video has been stored. And there are different terminologies like status, like it has been transcribed or not until now. The transcript of the project, as as I already told you, like we are storing the transcription of the video as well in the MongoDB Atlas. So here is the transcription. You can see the worst part about being a front-end developer and so. And so this is the transcription and the summary as well. As I already told you, we are storing. So this is all the information about the users and their videos. So now I'll show you the actual demonstration. So let me first log in with I'll see one of the users data so that I can accordingly log in one free planned user and one paid plan user accordingly. So I guess this is a free plan user. First we will log in with this, like name Kilua and Kilua. Okay, we will try to log in with this. The password is simple, like 1234. Now here we are signing. So this is the dashboard of our project. Until now the user has uploaded 2 videos, and the transcription has also been done of those 2 videos. In processing, that is a different thing. When the user will try to upload and the video will be processing, here the count will be increased. And until now the summary of out of this, one of the video has been asked by the user. Here is the uploading interface where the video will the user will actually upload the video, and this is just the information about our platform whatever it does. So now I'll try to upload one video. Suppose what video is not there here. Apache Spark is there, and this one okay. So now I'll try to upload a video which is not there so that it will be able to process and generate it. Suppose DocDB in 100 seconds this video I'll try to upload. Now it is processing the video, and as it is a free plan user, so for as I already told you, for the free plan user it will be storing it in the what we say Cloudinary platform. So the upload is successful. Your video DocDB is uploaded successfully, and now we'll go on the dashboard and see. So yeah, we can see here the DocDB in 100 seconds.mp4 video is here. Until now there is no transcription has been provided because the user has not asked for it. Here the user can even see the preview of the video, whatever it is. So first we will ask for the transcription, as it is free. So here you can see the processing one, as it is in processing under. And as it is a free plan user, for free plan user we are using the AssemblyAI platform. Now here you can see as well on September 12. So this is the latest request what it has completed. Here you can see the transcript. Here we have not allowed to show the every like the full transcript. Here for viewing the full transcript the user have to download. So by downloading the user can totally view the transcription of the video. Like here you can see DocDB, an open source fast embeddable SQL OLAP database that simplifies the way developers implement analytics and whatever there is in this actual video. Like you can see here,
an open source fast embeddable SQL OLAP database that simplifies the way developers implement analytics.
So as you already saw, it has successfully transcribed the first line in a very accurate manner as well. Like similarly the whole video has been transcribed with many with great accuracy. So the transcription has already been done. So if the user wants a summary as well, the user can ask for summary, and we have here shown this summary to full summary. Like here you can see the transcript. DocDB is an open source embeddable SQL database that simplifies analytics for developers. It stores data column wise, unlike traditional row wise storage, making it ideal for high volume time series data analytics and so and so. As you can see, this is not the exact transcript. As you can see, the transcript here is very huge, but here we have used the groq API as already the groq API which we are transferring the transcript, and here it is creating the summary as we can see here in the process. So it has successfully transcribed the summarized version of our transcription. So yeah, as you can also see, the number of videos has been increased, the transcription has also been increased, and the summary is from 1 to it has become 2 now. So yeah, for the free user it goes like this. And as well as for the free user, you can't see any difference on the UI UX, but in the backend we are using different services, as I already told you. Now we saw this services for the free user, and for the paid services we will be able to see our changes on AWS platform. Now I'll try to give a demo with a paid plan user. Like I just logged out and I'll see which user is exactly a paid user. So I guess this user is a paid user. Now I'll try to log in here with this name and email ID. Sorry, its name, actual name is Rahil SS2003 @gmail.com, and the password is I guess 1234. So let me log in. Yes, the password was correct. So here's the dashboard of this user. As a dashboard will be different for every user, but this one is the paid user, so the services which will be provided in the backend will be different, as we will see now. First what we will do is we will try to upload a video. Suppose this Apache Spark video, which is 11 MB video, we will try to upload. Now it is getting uploaded on the AWS platform. We will see in a bit in the AWS platform as well. The UI will show in the UI, the AWS UI. So yeah, the uploaded has been successful. Before going to the dashboard, I guess we should go to the AWS platform. We will just refresh the page, and inside videos there should be 2 videos now instead of 1. So yeah, you can see here September 27 1816, that is 6:16 now. The video has been stored here successfully on the AWS platform, on the S3 service to be specific. So yeah, we are able to store the video on the AWS S3 service, which is a cloud service obviously. Now we'll go to the dashboard. Now first I'll here show you, like here you can see only one transcription.json, right? So now I'll do what is, I'll start the transcription. Now we will be using the AWS Transcribe version in the backend. So instead of one, now here there should be two transcribes.json. Now here it is transcribing the actual video, Apache Spark in 100 seconds. It is taking a bit longer than expected. Yes, so now the process has been started. So now the so here is the transcription of the video whatever user has been uploaded. Now I guess here we should be able to see two transcriptions of the two different videos. Yes, so here what we just transcribed, here is the transcribe.json. For demonstration purpose I will download that .txt file. Yes, .json file it is actually. So actually it is storing in the JSON format, because first the transcription ID, the account ID, the status, and inside the result there is a transcript, and inside transcript there are transcript, and inside transcript there is the actual transcript. Like you can see here how precisely it has been stored until now. It's my bad, I'm sorry. So yes, here we are. Apache Spark, an open source data analytics engine that can process massive streams of data from multiple sources, like an octopus juggling chainsaws. Like we should see here whatever it has been showing. So yeah, we are successfully able to store the video and in the S3, and transcription as well in the S3. So yeah, this was our project utilizing 4 to 5 different cloud services using AWS S3, AWS Transcribe, Cloudinary, the open source storage platform, AssemblyAI transcription platform, and lastly and most importantly the MongoDB Atlas for storing the users and the videos informations. So I guess this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video's presentation. Thank you.